Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the solar Patio umbrella. Color is burgundy, made in China of course. It says Sundale outdoor. Yeah, here you see the size about don't know if there's more about this. There's a solar panel on the one side. I hope it arrived in good condition. Here you can see this color, which is called burgundy. Here you see the dimensions. It was around $100 on Amazon as far as I can remember. So let's do the unboxing and quick review now. Hope it's easy to unbox. I have opened it on one side. So here's the solar panel on the left side. Maybe I can take out the solar panel so it's not damaged. Yeah, here. That's obviously the solar panel. Try to open that. Okay. Looks I will have to assemble that. Yeah, there's nothing in there, so that's the solar panel. Probably comes on top. There's a small connector. Yeah, hope it's really waterproof. Doesn't need battery. I hope the battery, rechargeable battery, is already inside. It's a little bit hard to open, so I don't open that. I just open the umbrella itself. So maybe I put it upside down like this. Maybe the easiest way you can open that. Okay, now I can grab it, pull it out. Okay, I think that's everything we got. It's protected in a small plastic. It comes with some kind of instructions. It's 2 pieces. You can see more of that. Hope you can read that. Oops, gone. So here we get some information. Also safety precautions, care and maintenance, winter storage after the winter. There's a web page, sundaleoutdoor.com, and here I think we got some assembly instructions, push button tilt. There's another sticker. Attention customer, it's difficult to read, please do not return, call this number. There's also support email. That's not bad. What we get, thank you for purchasing, we love to hear from you. Another picture. Yeah, again the push button tilt thing. There's a little thing, instructions how you can tilt that. Yeah, I think I have it wrong side. It's a little bit bright outside, difficult to see. So I think it's really strange. I can turn it around as many times as I can. It does not help. So yeah, here you actually see the assembly parts picture. Then you have to push 1 or 2 screws. Yep, there are 1 or 2 screws which you have to put together here to switch the umbrella, how to open, how to close. So I will do that and let you know later on how this thing worked and how long it took me to do that. So I'm not finished yet, but I just wanted to show you something. This is the lower part, like you see the stand of the umbrella, and you see it has a thread. So sometimes you have just a smaller part and a larger part, and you push it together, and then you have something a button to click. This is not the case here, but you have a thread. Yeah, so I think no advantage or no disadvantage. It's about same thing, maybe a little bit more stable than something just with a button. Then second thing, actually looks a little bit more complicated as it is. It has just 3 parts. There's the umbrella, there's the stand or the extension, and that's the solar thing. So here it's described as a round thing. So what you get is not a round solar thing, but it's a square instead. So actually you just have to plug this thing to the top, and then you have to screw the stand into the umbrella. That's it. It should be very simple. I'm showing you the upper part. Hold on a second. Looks like this. So there's where the solar thing goes. I hope the fabrics, the hole in the fabrics is wide enough that it fits, so I let you know that could be a little bit of challenge. To plug it in should be really easy. So here we have the whole thing. I just plugged this in. It's a little bit difficult to hold the solar panel and to push this thing or plug this in, and I was waiting for something like a click. It didn't click, but I hope it does make connection still. So it seems I'm not able to push it more in because there's this flap or whatever it blocks. So, and I just put this in so it has enough space, and push it down and then turn it clockwise, and you can really feel where's enough. It doesn't move anymore. So okay, so everything is done now from my side. You see it's quite big. I had to remove or to move a little bit the table with the stand. The stand itself, and yeah, I also bought this thing, the Sunny Glade Bronze 18 inch 30.2 pounds outdoor living patio umbrella base. It's Amazon Prime, and it's Amazon's I don't know how it's called, Amazon's favorite, Amazon's #1 or whatever. So it seems a lot of people are buying this, even when it's not the largest base or the most beautiful, but it's a good trade-off. I think it looks really good for the price. It's quite stable. It's, yeah, everything is good. So seems Amazon doesn't have a lot of return with this, and as far as I can see, there's no reason to return it. The thing is, it comes with 2 of these rings, adapter rings. They already sit in the head. I had to remove this, rotating this counterclockwise, and I removed the smaller part, left in the bigger part, and then tightened it again. So also from my side, an advice: if you don't have a lot of headroom like here, and if you do have to put it up on your own, you don't have any help, so I was able to do everything on my own really fast, just 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so. Was really fast. But if you have, like here, not a lot of headroom as well, so my advice, don't screw the lower part and the upper part together. Just start with the lower part, put the lower part into the base first, because there's a lot of room needed. If you have the two upper parts together and want to put it into the base, there's a lot of headroom needed. So it's easier to put the lower part into the base, and then you come with the actual umbrella, and then you screw it into the lower part, because the thread is only maybe 1 or 2 inches, so it's much easier and it seems to work. There's this switch for the light, you can see. I will turn it on, so I'll point to the LEDs. I turn it on now. Hope you were able to see that. Get it a little bit closer. Turn it off now. Turn it on. Turn it off. Okay. So obviously there's connection and the crank does really work. You can see it comes down. There's no additional help needed. You can do it with one hand, or of course the best is if you do it with 2 hands, but you can do it with one hand. I'm now recording with the other hand. I'm still able to go up slowly with this thing. It goes really smooth. There's actually no problem, so I think it's yeah, it has stopped. That's it. And I can tilt this thing, but then I need 2 hands, because I have to push with one hand, and with the other hand I have to pull or push a little bit to the side. Hold on, I'll do that. Or actually you should even, I should be able to do that on my own. You have to press until you hear a click, like this, and it stays inside, and then it tilts. And the thing is, I think it should come out when you move it a little bit, then it comes out again. I think I had, yeah, like this. So now it's secured with a tilt. And if you want to make it straight again, you have to push it and then, yeah, push it. There's no handle or nothing, so you, yeah, definitely now I need 2 hands to put it in landscape position again. But overall I don't see any problem till now. Looks really sturdy. This switch is a little bit small when you compare to my finger, but it's working. Yeah, I mean, the handle is plastic, I think, not sure, probably, but I cannot complain for the price at the moment. Everything works pretty good. It's really big, it's nice, it's sturdy. Here at the end looks good. There is nothing to see where it could break easily, so everything is, I mean, it's not super secure. If you see, there's nothing here in between. It's just free floating on top of this metal thing, and it's not built for a hurricane. But if you close it after you use it, I think it should be good. So should last for a while. So I'm pretty happy with it for the moment. I think it was a good buy. If I have any problems, I will put this. I will write it down to the comment section, to the description, and yeah. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.